Kaya, are those eggs? Eggs? Are, yeah, they're in the basket. Eggs! Is that an egg? Blue. Uh-oh. Good job.
Wow, one-handed stand up. Nope.
She wants the other basket.
Whoa. Whoa, wow.
Good job.
1 foot stand up.
She's like, here I go. I got it all.
He's like, Steve, whatever, I just want my mouth. Who gave him the outie belly button?
Boom. Fall down. Boom.